At Tarkett, we're taking important steps towards a circular economy, and recycling flooring waste is one of them. Flooring can be recycled post-installation
and post-consumer. Tarkett's ReStart take-back and recycling program helps you give this precious resource a new use. We collaborate with several partners throughout Europe to recycle post-installation flooring. Please contact your Tarkett salesperson to know who your local partner is. Once you joined ReStart, you'll receive proper ReStart containers. Fill the bags with clean post-installation vinyl or linoleum offcuts, nothing else. When the bags are full, call Tarkett or your local partner to schedule collection. The containers will then be picked up and transported to our partners' sorting sites, where it will be weighed and sorted by hand. Then the material will be sent to one of our facilities to be recycled and recovered into high-quality raw material, which will be used to create new Tarkett floors. Post-consumer carpet tiles can also be collected for recycling. You can contact your ReStart partner and we will take care of the rest. Carpets are then sent for processing at our carpet recycling center in the Netherlands. By recycling, we save resources, reduce waste, and reduce our carbon footprint. Contact Tarkett if you want to know more about our ReStart Take-Back and Recycling program. Join us and let's give flooring a new life.